Hi everybody, it's Stephanie. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to share with you today a journal that I recently made for myself. I don't make a lot of stuff for myself, and I wanted a journal that I could put memories and little lists in and things that were personal to me. And I wanted to call this journal Breathe. I wanted the color scheme to be calm and soothing. So I chose a palette of my favorite fabrics that were in a blue and green and kind of a creamy vanilla color palette. And I wanted this journal to have a lot of texture. And what I did for the cover, the fabric cover, is I tore all of my fabric strips, and I used a lot of trims and threads, and I did a lot of stitching on the front. I used a lot of gold thread to do the stitching, and I just love all the texture in this book. Also, in the inside, I did a ton of sewing on the pages. There's fabric, there's paper, and just a ton of sewing. And I left all the threads dangling because I love the way that looks, and again, it adds a lot of texture. So on the side of this journal, I have a charm tassel. It's in that same color theme, and it also has a couple butterflies on it. There's, you'll notice when we flip through the journal, there is a butterfly theme that goes through this journal as well. And so anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to flip through here, and I'm going to go kind of quickly and just let you enjoy the music. So thanks for watching.